So I've been asked by a few people to give an update, I guess, about this eBay tankless water heater. I've tried different regulators to try to allow less pressure so that the solenoid will actually open when you turn it on. But unfortunately, if the gas pressure is on from the bottle and present up to the solenoid, and you try to turn on the unit, the solenoid is not strong enough to overpower the gas sitting up against the solenoid. So what I've found the process of operation to be is that first of all, you want to add water, which I'll add water. Make that quieter. Add water, turn on the box, then add gas, and it turns on just fine. So basically, when it comes down to it, there's just a process of operation that it needs to follow, and that's about it. To be honest, it's still got too much pressure. It needs to be regulated down even further, because right now with it on the lowest setting on the heater, it's ungodly hot. I mean, it's like almost boiling water. It's not literally, but it gets to be ungodly hot. That's unshowerable type water, unless you were to throw, water in, maybe cold water onto your exterior line going into your shower or whatever you're using. You could add water to that to kind of mix the cold and the hot, but when it comes down to it, that's so far 56 degrees Celsius, 57 degrees. I mean, it's going to keep going up. It'll probably go to, in the lowest setting, about 60 or 62 degrees, and that's really, really hot. So in order to get it down to showerable level, I have to turn the gas down and just barely leave it on so I can get the temperature back down. And for me, a showerable temperature is about 43 to 46 degrees Celsius. And it'll drop down nicely, and you can kind of adjust it from there, but it would be nice to have less pressure there on the tank or coming out of the tank through the regulator to the supply line here, so that I could adjust according to how I wanted to shower on here. So just a little update on the eBay tankless water heater, and what I'm doing to make it work, when I have to. Thanks for watching.